Meaning of homestay.
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 Homestay. A homestay is a type of accommodation where travelers live with a local family in their home. This provides an opportunity to learn about the local culture, customs, and way of life. Typically, the traveler has their own private room and shares common spaces such as the living room, kitchen, and bathroom with the host family. Meals are often included in the homestay experience, allowing visitors to taste traditional local cuisine. Homestays can be found throughout the world and are particularly popular among language learners and those seeking a more immersive travel experience.